Okay, so inside your garage, I can already see light. This is tiled floor garage, brand new construction. And here you have the garage door. Let me turn off the light. There's the corner up there in that garage. That garage is not perfectly sealed. So you're gonna get bugs in this garage no matter what you do. I can't stop it. There's the corner. I mean, it's just really good. You got stuff in here, but you can see the corner, you can see the lighting in there. That's going to be the edge of the garage, in there. And then if wherever you see lighting, and then of course up top, I'm trying to get this zoomed. There it is. All right, now it's clear. See all that light coming in? Well, if the light's coming in, guess what? The bugs are coming in. This is not rocket science. Here's the big problem you have. Look underneath your door going in from your garage to your house. So why are you experiencing roaches in your garage? My whole hand fits under there. If my hand fits under there, a mice and a roach is going to get in there and get into your house. So you've got a brand new construction. Let me turn on the light in here. You've got brand new construction in a house, and you have a perfect floor, and then you have this fault, which is that gap. And that gap is the weakest link. That's where the bug is going to find itself going in to the property. So without putting a threshold there and sealing that, a strip or something, you're still going to experience the problem no matter what kind of pest control you have, because even if it makes it through that door, makes it across the barrier outside, which is all concrete, which is the pH of that concrete out there is about 11 to 13. It totally neutralizes the product within a couple of weeks. You don't have a product, if you've got a quarterly service, that's going to hold up to that. And then guess what? The ants and the roaches are going to be trailing. Even if it does have enough chemical, it's still going to take 7 to 10 days for it to kill it when it gets inside the house, and you're still going to have the experience. So exclusion, pest proofing, is organic pest control. If you can get that, it's holistic. It's a holistic approach. Without one working, the chemical is not a solution. This is Frank the Pest Geek wishing you a pestacular day.